Hello everyone, welcome to this community of very beautiful women who see, create and express beauty in many aspects of our lives and who are always driven to improve ourselves. My name is Chimi Kankari and welcome to my channel Most Beautiful Self Always. Today I'm talking about how you can grow your hair to the best length under a wig. As you can see here, I have in a very beautiful wig. So before I start talking about how you can grow hair under wigs, I have one question for you. Do you believe that you can grow your hair to its predetermined length or to whatever length you can manage? If you believe so, I applaud you, because the first step to growing healthy, long, natural hair is to believe that you can grow the healthy, long, natural hair. So now back to talking about how you can grow your hair to the best length under a wig. I noticed that there are 5 kinds of people in the Afro texture hair community. The first kind is the ones that like, I'm natural and I don't even deal with any wigs. I'm just going to rock my natural hair all through. The second are those who hate natural hair and they're like, all wigs for me. I'm going to wear wigs all through and I love wearing my wigs. The third kind of people are those who have natural hair but they just love wearing straight wigs and they're like, I don't want to deal with Afro texture wigs. The fourth kind of people are those who are natural but like Afro texture wig and they're like, okay, I'm going to represent. I'm going to have my natural hair plus an Afro texture wig. And the fifth kind of people are those who don't care if you're natural or relaxed, and they don't even care if they have Afro texture wig or if they have straight wigs. They just don't even care about that. They don't even discriminate about that. They just want to look good and then fits the mood. Honestly speaking, I've passed through all of that mindsets. And currently I see myself at the 5th mindset, whereby I don't actually care if someone is relaxed or natural, or if someone decides to wear like a straight wig or an Afro textured wig. So I do believe that everyone has the right to try out whatever wig that she wants, be it an Afro texture wig or a straight wig. It all depends on her mood and the vibe that she's trying to send. What I pretty much care about now is how can people maximize the growth of their natural hair or even their relaxed hair under a wig. Pretty much I use a wig as a protective style, and I also love that wigs come in different textures and flavors that make you look very good. Like, it's an instant glam. You could just wear a wig and then instantaneously you look amazing. So I like the, let me call it the convenience. I like the convenience that wigs give, because you don't have to worry about the style. The wig is already styled in a way that you can just wear it, comb it, and then that is it. So I love the convenience that wig brings. And I want people in the natural community or even in the relaxed hair community to be okay with wearing wigs sometimes, because it can help them achieve some of their length goals. There are positives about wigs and there are negative about wigs, which I'll talk about in this video. First, I'll start with talking about the positives of wig. When I first went natural, that's when I did my big chop. What helped me gain confidence was wearing extensions and doing some braids. I actually started wearing wigs recently, but this video covers both extensions and wigs, but I'll just be showing you how to take care of your hair in a wig, because that's what I have right now. I have a wig on right now. So back to talking about extensions and wigs. When I first went natural, extensions helped me embrace the natural hair. I wore extensions primarily for 1 year when I went natural. And after the last, I'll say after that year of wearing extensions, I was able to embrace my hair, because my hair grew a lot under the extensions and the braids I had on. Had it not been for extensions, I would have been playing with my natural hair and just like been tugging and pulling, and maybe I would have not been able to achieve the length I currently have. So I encourage you ladies, if you're just going natural or if you're struggling with the natural hair or relaxed hair, try out wearing a wig while taking care of your natural hair underneath the wig or the extension. One benefit or one positive of wearing wigs is that it can help you achieve instant glam while letting your natural hair or relaxed hair stay relaxed or chill underneath the wig or extension. So like I stated, the summary of the positives of wearing wigs or extension is that, first of all, it can give you a break from your hair. Let your hair rest. It can enable you let your hair rest, and it can give you instant glam. So you don't have to worry about styling your wig or even your hair in a certain way, because the wig is already styled and it's just going to give you that instantaneous glam. So now the negatives of wearing extensions or wearing wigs are, it can actually take out your edges. I noticed in my first year while wearing extensions, my edges were actually suffering a little bit because of just the tugging and pulling of the extensions. So in my second year of being natural, I stopped wearing wigs, and that one came with its own problems, which I'll talk about in a different video. But overall, though, I've noticed that if you do tight braids, tight cornrows underneath the wig, or if you don't take care of your natural hair underneath the wig, you might actually have your edges missing because of the tugging and the pulling of the wig, or your natural hair might suffer because of the tugging and pulling of the wig or the extension on your natural hair. So wigs and extensions can be a tool to enable you achieve your best length, but if not used properly, it can actually be a liability and it can actually take out your work, all the work you put into your natural hair. In the next video, I'll show you how I take care of my natural hair underneath the wig and what I do to prevent my edges, what I do to prevent my edges from actually ripping off underneath my wig. As you can see, I started with a freshly washed, detangled hair. I put my hair in braids because I don't know how to cornrow. So I just pretty much put my hair in braids, as you see, and then I do it like this, kind of like a cornrow, just put it in 3 sections so I can have it under the wig. But this is just the braided hair, braided up like cornrows. So once I have my hair like this, I just wrap it up in itself and then put it in under the wig. So this is about a week after, where I'm trying to remoisturize my hair. I'm taking my time to unwrap the hair from how I wrapped it. I advise everyone to take their time when they are dealing with their hair, because the hair is fragile and you don't want to be breaking your hair while you're trying to take care of your hair. So please be gentle as you're working on your hair. So I take my time to unwrap what I wrapped in the hair in order to have it under the wig. So I keep doing this, keep taking my time to unwrap my hair, and after I unwrap my hair, I then put moisture on my hair. So after I unwrap my hair, I put moisture in my hair. So now that I'm done wrapping my hair, I'm just pretty much using the spray bottle to spray my hair, making sure I spray the roots of the hair, so let water get to my scalp so my scalp isn't dry, and also spraying the length of the hair. So I spray the roots and then the length of the hair. So the roots and the length of the hair, please spray that. So once I'm done spraying my hair, I go in there and add my oils to my hair. So I've already sprayed the length of the hair, and I'm working the moisture into the length of the hair, as you see, making sure I massage my scalp. So I love my castor oil, as you know in my previous video, and I go in there and put the castor oils majorly on the ends of my hair. Work the castor oils to the ends of my hair, and at the root of my hair, that's on my scalp, I actually apply some of my essential oils. So what I pretty much do is apply the castor oil to the length of my hair, and to the roots or on the scalp, apply some essential oils in there. So as you can see, the essential oils I use are rosemary oil and peppermint oil. I love those 2 essential oils, and I'm pretty much just massaging them into my scalp. So just find yourself a good rosemary essential oil and a good peppermint essential oil. Just massage that into your scalp, and man, I love the way it feels in my scalp. So once I'm done, I just braid the hair. As you can see how I'm twisting the hair on each other and just trying to rebraid the hair to form those 3 rows that I use underneath my wig. So now that I'm done with the hair, you see how it looks like. Just see, it's kind of rough, but I don't know how to do cornrows. This is what I pretty much do under my wig. So then I rewrap the hair on itself. So I just pretty much take the loose ends and then wrap it back on the length of my hair. That's I try to stretch it as I'm wrapping it. So making sure my hair is stretched out so it doesn't form like a big bump under my wig. So I pretty much find good spots on my hair where I can put the hair and wrap it on itself. I'll suggest to everyone watching this that you be careful when you're wrapping your hair, because sometimes I do feel like as I'm wrapping my hair, I feel like it's tugging on the other hair. That's the hair at the point where I'm tying it, as you can see there. So I do see it tugging. I do feel it actually tugging sometimes. So just be careful and make sure that when you feel it tugging, just make it loose. Don't make it too tight the way you're tying it, and don't make it tangle on the other hairs. So you see how it looks like once I'm done just wrapping everything around itself. So I go in there with I'll call it my scalp, actually I'll call it my edge protector. So it's the Milano, the lace grip. So I just pretty much go in there and wear it on my edges. I try my best to protect my edges because in the past, man, I've suffered when it came to my edges. Wigs or extensions have pulled up my edges, and at this point I'm just trying my best to take care of the health of my edges. So you see it comes with like a velcro and like a foam strip. I don't know what the other side is called, but it has a velcro though. So make sure that the velcro doesn't stick to your hair, because if it does, then that's messed up. So just try your best to make sure the velcro doesn't stick to your hair. And once you attach I'll say the scalp protector, let me call it the edge protector actually. Once you attach the edge protector to your hair, then you can wear your wig cap over it. So this is pretty much what I do. Wearing that grip, or I'll say the edge protector, wearing that actually makes me feel more confident and more comfortable wearing my wigs, because in the past when I take away my wigs, I just feel it tugging on my edges and it gets me scared. I'm like, oh my god, please don't let all the work I've done to take care of my hair just go because of this wig. But since I started wearing the lace grip, or I'll just say the edge protector, I've actually been feeling better about wearing wigs. So just pick up any random wig you have. For this one, this is the wig I have. I bought this wig about a year ago. So this wig is good. I don't wear it often, but I mean it's a nice looking wig. So style the wig the way you want to. Make sure it looks nice to your taste and all. So yeah. So once I have all of that in there, I actually feel good wearing the wig. As you can see, the wig itself is actually over the edge protector. So if you want to push it back, just make sure that the edge protector is in place while you're pushing the wig back. So yeah, see how the wig looks. It looks nice. I actually like the way it looks. It looks beautiful. So yeah, it's a nice wig. So now that I'm taking out the wig, I'm just trying to show you how I take out my wig. I try to start from the top and make sure I'm not just dragging it out anyhow. And as you can see, that edge protector actually protects my edge. So you see, like, not a lot of my edge is showing. So I just go in there and make sure I gently take out all the wig stuff in my hair. Take it out gently, and then you find out that you actually have a good wig there because the wig is not pulling your hair. Thanks for watching. Now back to the other video. As you all know, I'm a new YouTuber, and currently I have about 350 subscribers. I'm really grateful for all those who have subscribed to my channel. I am new to social media. Prior to late last year, I didn't have any social media account. I was like, I avoided social media like the plague. But seeing that I currently have 350 subscribers, I'm so grateful for everyone who has subscribed to my channel, because this is actually a leap of faith for me. I prefer to just keep to myself, and I just like my privacy. But knowing that I release videos and then people are interested in watching those videos make me feel very happy and make me feel like I'm contributing to the world in some way other than my full-time job. I'm contributing to the world in another way. So I'm very grateful for everyone who has subscribed. To those ladies who are watching this and haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. My goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So please subscribe to this channel. If you find value in this channel, please subscribe to this channel.